everyone, welcome back to News Nerman, your hub for the latest and greatest in tech and gaming. Today we're talking about a massive announcement from Nintendo. Yes, it's official. The Nintendo Switch 2 is here. The name might sound simple, but it's already creating waves in the gaming world. Let's break it down and find out why this name is a big deal. A smart name. So, the big news, Nintendo's next console is called the Nintendo Switch 2. While it's not the most creative name, it's smart, simple, and makes a lot of sense. Nintendo has a history of using unique and sometimes confusing names, like the Wii U. Many people thought it was just an add-on for the Wii. That confusion hit sales hard. But this time, with Switch 2, there's no room for misunderstanding. This is a next-gen console. Expert reactions. Industry experts are loving this decision. Dr. Serkan Toto, a leading gaming analyst, said, "Thank God Nintendo didn't try to get creative with the name." Other experts pointed out how PlayStation's consistent naming system, PS1, PS2, PS3, has worked brilliantly for over 2 decades. Keeping it simple is the way to go. George Gigiashvili from Omdia Research summed it up perfectly, saying that names like Super Nintendo Switch or Switch Pro might have been fun, but they also risked confusing buyers. Nintendo can't afford to repeat its past mistakes. Building the brand. This isn't just about a console, it's about the Switch brand. Nintendo's recent success goes way beyond gaming. Think about the Super Mario Bros. Movie, the Nintendo-themed parks, and even merchandise. Everything ties back to the Switch. The Nintendo Switch 2 strengthens this brand and ensures that everyone, gamers, parents, and fans, understand exactly what this product is. Call what's next for Switch 2. Now, let's talk about the hardware. While Nintendo hasn't revealed all the details yet, rumors suggest it will feature enhanced graphics, better battery life, and maybe even exclusive new features that only Nintendo can pull off. It's shaping up to be the ultimate gaming device, taking the portability and innovation of the original Switch to a whole new level. Closing scene. So, what do you think of the Nintendo Switch 2? Is the name perfect, or were you hoping for something more exciting? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to News Nerman, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on the latest tech and gaming news. See you next time.